So it used to be that when I would go to pack for a trip, I would just grab my suitcase and start packing. Throw in a little extra, it didn't really matter. If I needed to, I would just pay the fee and check the bag. Then I started thinking about how many trips I'm taking this year, and I thought that could really add up to a lot of extra money I don't need to spend. So now, before I pack for a trip, I take a look at all the travel products I've collected to see which ones are going to help me pack smarter, better, and safer. So let's start with packing smarter. I've got some mesh travel bags here of different sizes that I can use for different things. Underwear, socks, maybe some jewelry. My daughter has become a big fan of packing cubes. She rolls her clothes up, comes in a bunch of different sizes. That worked out really well last time. I'm getting ready to try this on my next trip, compression bags. You know that whole saying, 10 pounds of you know what? 5-pound bag. Yeah, well, this one doesn't use a vacuum and simply compresses all your clothes so you can put more in a tiny space. I'll let you know how they are. And shoe bag, so I can throw a pair of shoes in here and the bottom of my shoes doesn't ruin the rest of my clothing. And then also potentially I need an adapter for when I'm going overseas. So traveling better is all about getting through security quickly and being comfortable on the flight. I'm bringing back the fanny pack, y'all. I know, I think there are more stylish versions out there, but for right now, this is doing the trick. It fits my passport, it fits my phone, it fits boarding passes, maybe a little lipstick. It keeps things close to me, and it keeps me from holding up the line while I'm going through my backpack trying to figure out what pocket I put everything. So we're keeping it, at least for now. On the plane, this is my neck support. It moves, you can flip it however you want. If you're like lying up against a window, whatever works, whatever you need, this is handy. This is Sydney's. It's kind of like one of those big things, like if you've got whiplash that they give you in a car accident, but it's super, super soft and almost like memory foam. So it works out really good for her. It's really, really good because it hits you on both sides if you are in the middle seat, which is her spot, not mine. And then if you need to sleep on a plane and you're flying at weird hours, maybe you're flying overseas, this is a sleep mask. So not only does it shut out the light, but look at this. You see this? You know what that's for? So that you don't crush your lashes. And finally, safer. I haven't used any of this yet. As you can see, it is still in its packaging, but a money belt, a lock, and a different money belt that is RFID blocking so no one can take my credit card information. There are some places we're going where pickpocketing is known to be kind of bad, and so that will help us stay safer.